Morning, it's Hitesh from Altitude Digital and Advisor CRM. So, in this video, I just want to show you, you could say it's a little hack, but I know for those running LinkedIn ads or those people who think LinkedIn ads are more expensive, the truth is they are, but I think the quality far outweighs the cost per lead if you can get it to convert at a high rate as well. So, it's not just about the cost per lead, but it's also about your additional follow-up process as well. So, obviously, I'm always looking at ways to optimize our LinkedIn campaigns. And although the concept we're going through today isn't new, uh, it actually works. Sometimes when you do this approach, it doesn't always work or the ads stop working. So, as you've probably seen from the name here, the concept is actually manual bidding. So, once you've created your campaign, if you go over to the ad set sort of level and scroll all the way down, then basically when it comes to bidding, what you can do is if you select manual bidding, now LinkedIn will actually recommend that you set a bid of say 899 sort of dollars CPC, which is crazy, or even so lower. But if you actually then start to put in, say, start with $1, you'll see it's too low, and then I'd actually just do it in increments. And you'll see that actually it accepts it. So what I would do is I'd try this approach, just monitor the number of clicks you're getting and then also the click-through rate. So for LinkedIn, the click-through rate, sort of anywhere above 0.5% is better, is good. Whereas we know Facebook, we're talking 1% or more. But try this and see. We've definitely seen a lower cost per lead as a result, and you'll be quite surprised in terms of uh, how this could impact your lead cost. If you have any questions or would like a review of your LinkedIn ads account, just please let me know. I'll speak to you soon.